Good day, my lovely people. May God bless you. Today is still your sister, Prophetess Chioma, has an fertility solution. Today I'm teaching you how you can treat that cough. Anything that concerns cough. It's no other herbs remedy than go and get that mango leaf that is in your compound. Get some of it. Then you get scent leaf that is in your garden. Wash them very well. Then place them in your pot. Boil them for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Then continue taking 1 glass in the morning before food, 1 glass in the night, and see if that cough will not run away from your body. If you love what I'm teaching you, my dear, like, comment, share to everyone to see and benefit from it, and follow me for more updates. May God bless you.